Hey there everyone, in this video I want to show you how to unlock your iPhone 6 from T-Mobile. Hello everyone, welcome to Cellular Pros. In this channel we do tech reviews and tutorials, so if you're new to the channel I welcome you to subscribe. Alright, let's go right to the video now. So maybe you want to travel outside the country and you need your iPhone unlocked to be able to use it in other carriers around the world. Or maybe you just want to have it unlocked to be able to use it in other carriers here in the US other than T-Mobile. So in this video I'm going to show you how to unlock it. This is one of the most inexpensive ways to unlock it. You can also do a factory unlock. That method will have your iPhone unlocked permanently, but it is a little bit more costly. They cost over $100 to factory unlock. So I'm going to show you this method, which also works, and it's a lot more inexpensive. It's a lot cheaper. So let's go ahead and get started. Like I said, this phone is T-Mobile, as you can see up here. So I'm going to show you what happens when you place in a SIM card that is not from T-Mobile. So let's put the T-Mobile chip down. Let's get, for example, AT&T chip. Let's place that in. Alright, so this is what happens when you place a SIM card in a T-Mobile phone that is from another carrier. In this example, it's from AT&T. So it goes to this activation screen. So go ahead and connect to Wi-Fi and try to activate the phone with the SIM card. It's going to give you this message right here, SIM not supported, because the phone is locked to T-Mobile. So, okay, what we're going to do is I'm going to show you now how we're going to unlock it. So let's remove the AT&T SIM card. Let's put it down. Alright, so what we're going to use is this unlock chip that we have. It's a very thin chip that goes in your SIM card tray, and it's going to unlock your phone. So I'm going to place the SIM card in here like this. Okay, so remember guys, I'm going to have a link in the description where you can get this unlocked SIM card, and I'm also going to have always the up-to-date code to unlock the phone with the unlock chip. Alright, so let's go ahead and get the SIM card and place it in here. Okay, so it should look like this, and then we're going to place it in the phone gently. There we go. So once again, it's going to take us here to the activation required screen. So let's go ahead and swipe. Okay, so let's go ahead and hit try again. There we go, and it says SIM not supported. Okay, so let's go ahead and show you how we're going to get this phone to be unlocked. So we have to enter a special code. Let's hit the home button. You're going to select emergency call. Here in emergency call, you're going to press star 5005 star 7672 star 0 pound, and then hit the dial pad. It's going to give you this menu here. You're going to scroll down to edit ICC ID, and then here we're going to hit 8901 4103 2795 2915 5450, and then you're going to hit send. It's going to say setup okay, restart your phone now, so accept and power off the phone. Okay, once you enter that code gets registered to that unlock chip. So you're not going to have to enter that code anymore as long as you're using this same unlock chip. So once the phone is off, power it on. Okay, so once again, make sure that you are connected to Wi-Fi. Go ahead and swipe here. So let's go ahead and try to activate it once again. Hit next. And this time it's going to unlock the phone. As you can see, it got us to the home screen. Let's set this up later. No password. Continue. Get started. There we go. And as you can see, the phone is unlocked. It took us to the home screen. As long as your SIM card is activated, it will pick up signal and service right away. You don't have to do anything to the settings. Let's go ahead and verify. Yep, there you go. So it's reading the AT&T SIM card. You can do this with any other carrier that you prefer to use once your phone is unlocked with the unlock chip. Alright everyone, so that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed the video and I hope it helped you out. If it did, please give it a like. It really helps the channel out a lot. So that's it for now. I'll see you around in the next video. And as always, peace. Ciao.